we've had a series of significant sell signals over the last month and a half. First was below the low to mid 340s. The most recent was below the 256.44 two-year rising channel bottom. That held roughly last week. We opened Monday below it. We fell away. Now we're right back approaching this vicinity. 256.44 is our resistance through April. And from here, we should continue south into the 153.59 to 159.69 region over the next month or two. And that remains the big picture. Now, if we were to close tomorrow, the week itself above 256.44, then I would expect recovery. At this point in time, I'm going to say the 340s again, but I have to sort of weigh everything at that time with this newly formed descending channel top on the daily chart at 322.60. It could be that it's just merely a settlement above 322.60 that indicates a good low through the second quarter with continued gains then expected over the following several months, ultimately allowing perhaps that 507.99 formation in the 3 to 5 months to follow. But I don't think we're going to see a V-shaped rally. I could be completely wrong, but this church steeple rally where it gives it all back symmetrically on the backside, they tend to stick around for a while. They tend to sort of hold for a long period of time. So I wouldn't be surprised to see that high at 488 even roughly back in December is a good high through all of 25. Consider that possibility of being wrong if at this point in time we close back above 345.53. But I don't expect to see 345.53 unless we close the week tomorrow above 256.44. Until then, this is a market to be short below 256.44, expecting the 150s over the next month or two. You see 256.44. There's also 249.54. That's a Fibonacci level that may well, as I say, contain buying through April and below which the 150s in reach over the next month or two. Working our way down today, 235.91. I have that as an intraday support level. I think you've got a pretty decent day trade here, selling 256.44, buying back at 235.91, or vice versa. Really, to aggressive day traders here, there is no real 3 to 5 day swing trade unless we close above 256.44, and then I would expect 286.38 within about 3 to 5 days. And then, of course, it would be a settlement above 286.38 that would then indicate 322.20. A Friday settlement at the end of the week back above 256.44 would then present 322.60 as a realistic 2 to 3 week target where we could top out. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.